Today, I'm going to make a absolutely delicious Chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole using the Instant Pot. This is a really great recipe, guys. Very, very easy and perfect for a work night. Up next, stay tuned. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken cut up, 1 pound of Virginia ham sliced and diced, 8 ounces of Swiss cheese, 8 ounces of Gouda, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 3 cups of chicken broth, and we're going to need some panko for the topping. Okay guys, so this recipe is one thing that I consider a dump and go. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to stick in first our chicken, and then we're going to stick in all of our ham, and now we stick in all of our twists, and we're going to finish it off with about 3 cups of chicken stock. And now we're going to stick in our onion, our garlic, our mustard powder. All right, guys, and we're going to give this a little bit of a mix and mix, nothing big. All right, just to incorporate all those ingredients. We got the vent closed. Okay, guys, we are at time, and it is now time for the quick release. Okay guys, it is all done, or at least we can check it now, and there it is. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take about 5 ounces of half and half, and we're going to add the cheese. We're going to give it a mixy mix, and we should be pretty squared away. Okay guys, it's time to add the cheese. I'm going to first add the Swiss into here. I want that to melt. And now I got my Gouda, and I'm just dumping. Dump and go, guys. That's basically what we're doing here today. All right, I think that's it. I think we have meltification. All right, guys, so the next step is we're going to take some of this panko, and we're going to put that in the frying pan with a little butter. We're going to brown it off, and that's going to be our topping. I'm going to keep stirring this until they get brown. And then I'm going to throw them over the Cordon Bleu Casserole.
Salute. Mmm. Really picking up on the cheese, and the crispy panko topping gives it a nice crunch, and the pasta is really cooked really good. It's not mushy, it's keeping the shape, it has a little bit of a bite to it, and I just can't get over how creamy this is. This is so good. I wish you could smell this right now. It smells absolutely heavenly. The chicken is so tender. Look at that, it just breaks apart. And it's not dry at all.
All right. Chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole is putting a smile on Julie's face.
It sure is.
All right, guys. Very, very easy. Another Instant Pot hit. Hope you guys check it out. All right. From the home kitchen studio in Hicksville, take care. God bless. So long.